Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you beyond the basic wire jewelry tools and what they do. I'm Amy and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about leather, metal, and paper and all other types of arts and crafts or how to grow your art and craft business, start by subscribing and clicking the bell so you won't miss a thing. If you haven't seen the first video on beginner tools for creating wire jewelry, I have it linked below in the description. In the first video, I showed you the basic pliers and safety items you will need for beginning wire jewelry. In this video, I will show you the next set of tools you will need to create an assortment of projects from beginner to advanced wire work pieces. The first tool we are looking at is bail shaping pliers. These pliers could almost be included in the basic 4 pliers. One nice thing about these pliers is you can make consistently the same size of loop repeatedly. This is useful for production work. They also keep 3 or more round wires even while forming your bail. This is useful if you want a bail that is thicker than 1 or 2 wires. There are multiple sizes available so you can create different size loops or bails. This pair is nice to have because you can make 3 sizes of bails with just 1 pair of pliers. They are also helpful if you want to make your own jump rings or coils. You can easily wrap the wire around the jaw and then snip it with wire cutters to create jump rings. When using square wire with bail pliers, you can keep your wire flat when bending it because the pliers are evenly rounded. They are also available as just a single or double size single diameter barrel ending. These give the flexibility of having 2 different size loops and they don't taper, which makes it ideal for creating consistently sized loops. These are nylon jaw pliers. These pliers are used to straighten or form wire. Because they have nylon jaws, they won't mar the surface of soft wires. They are great for shaping wire and for shaping bracelets. These are ring mandrels. Both graduated and tapered mandrels are necessary for making rings. You will also need a finger gauge set, which will allow you to make accurately sized rings. Finger gauge sets are usually available in narrow, standard, and wide fit. The ring mandrels are made from steel, so you can use a hammer to shape your rings. You can also use them for creating a setting for a cabochon with a round stone or base. This is a polishing cloth. These are essential when you make more and more wire jewelry pieces. They are also used to polish any tarnish on your wire or to remove Sharpie marks. They are also used to straighten and harden wire. These cloths have their own polishing compound embedded in the cloths, so the black marks you see on the cloth is a compound and not dirt or debris from your wire. These are jigs. A wire jig allows you to make the same wire configuration over and over. You can place the pegs into the wire and make wire designs like this one here. These are nylon and rawhide mallets and hammers. These hammers are used to shape, bend, and form wire. Because they have a soft hammer head, you can use them on your wire without damaging the surface. This tool steel block is great if you don't have an anvil, or if you want to carry all your jewelry wire making supplies with you when you travel. You can use this with your hammer to shape, flatten, or straighten wire. When choosing a metal file set, look for small or thin files with a fine grit and multiple shapes and sizes to fit into small areas and contours. When you are weaving or coiling, you will feel rough edges along the wire. Often it is one small area, so a thin set of files can shave down any sharp edges without touching the wires next to it. These are supplies that will make your creations a lot easier to make. They are all items that are fairly low cost. You can even get them from the dollar store, and you may already have some of these at home. Painter's tape or low stick tape is very handy for taping wires together because it doesn't leave a residue. You can also use this for measuring cabochons. A ruler is helpful so you can measure the center of your wire or cut the same lengths repeatedly. A Sharpie or permanent marker is used to mark the center of the wire, where to make bends or prongs. Any marks can be removed with a polishing cloth. See you in the next video of this series, Making Wire Rings. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for our next video.